child of many generations, removed of ancient Malayan pioneers. Across the centuries, the memory comes rushing back to me of brown-skinned men putting out to sea in ships that were as frail as hearts were stout. Over the sea, I saw them come, borne upon the billowing wave and the whistling wind, carried upon a mighty swell of hope in the free abundance of the new land that was soon to be their home and their children's forever. This is the land that they sought and found. Every inch of shore that their eyes first sat upon, every hill and mountain that beckoned to them with green and purple invitation, every mile of rolling plain that their view encompassed, every